guys, tayo po ay aawit at ito po, may nahiram akong gitara kay Greg. At ako po ay magpa-practice muna dahil as you know guys, I'm still learning. At ako'y aawit ng isang awitin na kung saan ay natutunan ko noong mga kabataan ko pa. Because he lives, I can face tomorrow. Because he lives, all fear is gone. Because I know he holds the future, and life is worth the living just because he lives. Ayan guys, yan yung hindi ko nakakalimutan na chords dahil mula nung nag-aaral ako ng gitara, yun na po yung paulit-ulit kong pinapractice hanggang ngayon, nagpa-practice pa rin. Thank you guys, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Cheers! Natatawa si Greg sa akin. Thank you, Honey Banban, for the clap applause.